Hello friends, welcome to this first MATLAB tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create and save variables in MATLAB. Generally, we assign variables to capital and small alphabets. So let's see how to create variables. So I am going to create a variable x with value 10. Now I am going to do it with the use of this equal sign. In MATLAB, equal sign is the assignment operator. I will comment it as this is a numeric variable. Now this step is totally optional. If you want, you can do it or you can avoid it also. Now to create a variable x equal to 10, press enter key. So the variable x is created which has value 10. We can see that in a workspace. Here x is a variable which is created and it has value 10 and size 1 by 1. Now we are going to create a variable which is a vector. For that I will assign that variable to letter capital A. So I will type this capital letter A equals to vector 2, 3. I will comment it as this is a variable which is a vector. As I press enter, the variable capital A is created which has a vector value 1, 2, 3. Basically this is a row vector of size 1 by 3. Now next I am going to create a variable which is a string. So for this I am going to use the letter small s. So small s assignment operator equal. Now as I want to create a variable which is a string, so I am going to use single inverted comma and the string is hello. I will comment it as this is a variable which is of string type. As I press enter, the variable s is created which is a string hello. Now we can see that the workspace contains all the variables which we have created yet, that is x having value 10, variable a which have the vector value 1, 2, 3, that is a row vector 1, 2, 3, and s which is a string hello. Now if I want to save all these three variables which I have created, I am going to do it like this. So we are going to type save space the name which I want to give to my file. So I will give it the name my variables. Note that you can give the name of your choice. So as I press enter, in a file section we can see that the variables my variables is created. Now it has extension .mat. Now from this extension we can observe that this is a file which contains variables. This is not an executable file but it contains a data. Now if I close my session, then the command window will be empty and the workspace will be empty. So to clear my workspace, I will type in a command window clear all, press enter. So my workspace is cleared, and to clear the command window I will type clc, press enter. So command window is also clear. Now if I want to load these variables which are in this file my variables.mat, so there are two ways. I can left click on this file and I will select open. So the variables are visible in a workspace again, or the alternative way is, first of all I will clear all these variables from the workspace. Now the workspace is empty. Now if I want to load all these variables which are in this file my variables, I can use or I can type load space, the name of the file which I have given, that is my variables. Press enter. So the variables get loaded in a workspace again. In this way we can create variables in MATLAB and save them in a file with extension .mat. Thank you.